O my Mary, I pray to you to intercede for all those who are jobless. My Lord and my God, I pray for all those who are jobless. Help them to get a job, Lord. Because of the current pandemic, many of them has lost their jobs and are in want. I pray to you, Lord Jesus, comfort, console them, and help them to get a job. Mama, intercede for us, intercede for them. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now in the hour of our death. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now in the hour of our death. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now in the hour of our death. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for hearing my prayers. Thank you, Mama, for interceding for us.